Imagine a world where video games are released faster, with fewer bugs and at a lower cost. This might sound too good to be true, but it's the promise of a new era in game development, powered by artificial intelligence. AI is changing the game, literally, by automating the tedious and time-consuming process of game testing. While you sleep, legions of AI testers are hard at work, playing thousands of games, uncovering bugs, and ensuring a seamless gaming experience for players worldwide. Game testing has always been a labor of love, requiring countless hours of gameplay by human testers. These dedicated individuals meticulously comb through every level, interaction, and line of dialogue, searching for bugs and glitches that could ruin a player's experience. However, as games become increasingly complex with sprawling open worlds and intricate storylines, the limitations of human testing become apparent. It's simply impossible for humans to test every possible scenario and permutation in a modern game, leading to missed bugs, delayed releases, and frustrated gamers. Enter AI, the game changer in software development, and now, game testing. AI-powered testing tools can play games at superhuman speeds, tirelessly exploring every nook and cranny of the virtual world. These digital testers don't need sleep, coffee breaks, or time off, making them the ideal workforce for identifying bugs and ensuring game quality. From Ubisoft's AI testing bots that learn from player behavior to machine learning algorithms that can predict and prevent errors before they occur, AI is transforming the testing landscape, ushering in a new era of efficiency and accuracy. The impact of AI on game testing is already being felt across the industry. Development studios are reporting significant reductions in testing time, with some claiming a 30% decrease in overall development cycles. This accelerated development process means that games can be released to market faster, satisfying the demands of eager gamers. But it's not just about speed. AI is also significantly improving the quality of games. Studies show that AI-powered testing tools can catch up to 95% of bugs compared to an average of 70% for human testers. This translates into a smoother, more enjoyable gaming experience for players, free from frustrating glitches and crashes. And the best part? AI testing is incredibly cost-effective. By automating the testing process, studios can save millions of dollars in labor costs, allowing them to invest more resources in game development and innovation. Under the hood, how AI tests games. So how exactly does AI test games? At its core, AI game testing utilizes a combination of advanced technologies, including machine learning, procedural content generation, and predictive modeling. Machine learning algorithms are trained on vast data sets of gameplay data, allowing them to learn the rules of the game, identify patterns, and predict potential problem areas. Procedural content generation, on the other hand, enables AI testers to create and execute countless test scenarios, covering a much wider range of possibilities than human testers ever could. And finally, predictive modeling uses historical data and statistical analysis to identify areas of the game that are most likely to contain bugs, allowing testers to focus their efforts on the areas that need the most attention. Case study: Ubisoft's AI revolution. One of the most prominent examples of AI in game testing comes from Ubisoft, the studio behind popular franchises like Assassin's Creed and Far Cry. Ubisoft has developed a suite of AI-powered testing tools, including the Commit Assistant and Bugs Layer. The Commit Assistant analyzes code changes made by developers and predicts potential bugs before they even make it into the game, saving countless hours of debugging time. Bugs Layer, on the other hand, automatically generates and executes thousands of test cases, identifying and reporting bugs with incredible speed and accuracy. These tools have reportedly saved Ubisoft millions of dollars in testing costs and significantly reduced the time it takes to bring new games to market. The future of gaming. A new golden age? The future of gaming is bright, thanks in no small part to the transformative power of AI. As AI testing technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even faster development cycles, higher quality games, and a new wave of innovation in the industry. Imagine games that adapt to your individual playstyle in real time, adjusting difficulty and introducing new challenges based on your actions, or games that are constantly evolving, with new content and storylines being generated on the fly, ensuring that the experience never gets old. These are just a few of the possibilities that AI unlocks for the future of gaming. Conclusion: AI is not here to replace human game developers or testers. Instead, it's a powerful tool that will augment their capabilities, allowing them to focus on what they do best, creating immersive, engaging, and unforgettable gaming experiences. The future of gaming is one where AI and human creativity work hand in hand, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and ushering in a new golden age for interactive entertainment.